guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing something. I don't know if I've actually unboxed one of these on my channel yet, but today we're going to be unboxing a Nerf Rival Knockout XX100. Over the last 48, well actually more like 24 hours, I've received multiple packages at the door from Amazon from a benefactor. A really good friend of mine had purchased me a large chunk of products, and we're gonna open one up today. We're gonna open up a bunch of them over the next day or two, but we're gonna do this one right now. Wow, they glued them down. I've never seen that before. There we go. So there it is, guys. That's the XX100. So that's the primer handle, and it has the safety. So there's the ball goes there. And reprime. Ow! And there's storage for 4, and it came with 2. So it's got some, as I said. I figured it out, guys. So cock it, prime it, charge it, open the barrel, insert the round, close the barrel, prime it, and fire. Ow! So yeah, that's the Nerf Rival XX100, and it says it goes 90 feet per second, and it will travel. It did say somewhere on here how far it could travel up to. Let's see if it says in the manual. Oh wow! Well, there you go, guys. It does have a trigger lock. I just didn't see it. It's an under. There you go. So the safety's right there. So yeah, it does. It goes far. I don't know how far it goes, guys. It doesn't say anywhere in here, and it doesn't say anywhere on the box. But it does come with two Nerf Rival rounds, and it has a bit of oomph for a little pistol.
Your expertise plus our advice. Make BMO Advice Direct part of your investment equation.
So yeah, that's the Nerf Rival Knockout XX100. Available on Amazon. I will have a link for it in the description to purchase it off of Amazon. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And remember, guys, if you're not a subscriber, please do. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Both of those things help out with the channel. And last but not least, if you would like to know anything about my channel, hit the bell icon that notifies you when I upload videos or anything else about my channel. And don't forget, guys, remember, don't let the zombies get you. Bye for now.